Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Sunday, October 9th, 09:42 a.m. New York time. Good morning, people. We're going to talk about marijuana stocks, pot stocks, cannabis, whatever key buzzwords you choose to call it. This past week, the White House, the executive branch, the President of the United States, made a press release. And I go straight to the source to get my news. You might use some media network, whatever your favorite propaganda media network is. Maybe it's a socialism one to the left or a fascism one to the right. I'm not creating those words. That's what the opposite parties are calling those. Point is, I'll show you some insight. If you want to get direct information before it's edited, dumbed down, or shared to you misappropriately, shared to you in a condescending way or, not the truthful way. So here, this is the executive branch, the White House, whitehouse.gov, federal website, .gov, not a blogger, not a media outlet. And earlier in the week, statement President Biden on marijuana reform. Yep, the marijuana stocks had some price action earlier this week. We'll go on this chart in a minute. So I'll put this link in the description box below in the video. And I recommend you read a few of these paragraphs, the one that says first, second, third, and final. I will read the final one to you because I have found every media outlet has not included this factually, word for word, this last part, nor have they done these other ones. But this paragraph here, finally, even as federal and state regulation of marijuana changes, important limitations on trafficking, marketing, and underage sales should stay in place. Yeah. So it's not 100% decriminalizing, as some media outlets or politicians on the fascist side say, or the other knucklehead socialist side say. Yeah, shame. They want to leave some of that content out and to divide a nation. So we'll look at the weekly charts on many cannabis stocks. Some of these companies are not 100% cannabis itself. They might be a software company, a hardware company, provides products or services to growers, or it might be a company that grows tobacco, but is vested also in a cannabis company. You can find that out by reading individual companies' profiles directly from them and the regulatory body. So we'll start off with Alpha Charlie Bravo, penny stock, Alpha Charlie Bravo, $1.16. Look at that. So looking here, red for the week, made a higher high, but it's near the low of the year. And actually, that was the low of the year earlier, and we took it out a few weeks ago. So let's take it away. Yeah, so it's a pump and dump garbage stock company. Next, Alpha Romeo November Alpha. Made a new high. New high. Yep, interesting. Actually, I don't think it's been a while since I made these videos, but this one apparently is not listed anymore. Yep, it's gone. I need to get rid of that one. It's gone. Wonder what happened. I'll check that out later, but obviously it's gone. So that accuracy is no longer good. Write that in my notes. I need to research that later. Find out what they did wrong. Next one, Bravo Lima, Oscar Zulu Foxtrot. Notes. See, it's got 5 letters, the stock symbol. The last one's F. If you've been following me for some time, I shared with you what that 5th letter to the right means when it's F. It means it's a foreign company. Again, stock symbol, Bravo Lima, Oscar Zulu Foxtrot. New low for the year. Loser. Bravo Uniform Delta Zulu. Yeah. There's a low for the year. It's still performing lousy. Charlie Alpha November. Yep. Just recently made a new low for the year. Garbage. Charlie Alpha Romeo Alpha. There's the low for the year. Here's the high for the year. It's still terrible performing. Yeah. Really bad shape. And that was the midpoint. We did finally take it out. So let's update that. Remove that. Not remove it, just update it. As expected, it went in there and tested it. Oops, let's extend that out a little bit more. Especially when there are huge trading range candles like that, they like to be retested, which happened. That's above average trading range. For this underlining, it's different for different stocks, but that's huge. So that's why I labeled it. Also, we had this bearish pin bar on top. They like to get retested. That's why I labeled it there. Charlie, Bravo, Delta, Sierra. Yeah, garbage. Took out that year low recently. Charlie, Bravo, Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot. Again, 5th letter is F. There's a low for the year. But again, here, it's also going grinding down to the low. Charlie, Goff, Charlie. Yeah, garbage. Not good. Let's go to the next group. We're going to keep looking to see if we see any winners. Anything that's in showing a reason want to invest in it. Well, here's another one. Charlie, Romeo, Bravo, Papa. That was the low of the year. Took that out recently and real close to the low of the year again. Garbage. Charlie, Romeo, Lima, Bravo, Foxtrot. Again, other F. Look at that. 2 weeks ago, a low popped up. So it closed green, weak, higher high, higher low. It might be high. That's why somebody bought it. Again, these are penny stocks. The best thing for them, if you're going to trade them, was for day trading them, scalping them fast in and out. Charlie, Romeo, Oscar, November. Garbage. Charlie, Whiskey, Bravo, Hotel, Foxtrot. Oof, 2 weeks ago, new low for the year. So interesting. Several of them made new lows for the year. 2 weeks prior, news came out, huge trading range above average, and then that was it. Didn't have follow through. Foxtrot, Alpha, Foxtrot. Look at that. We took out that low, yellow horizontal line. Let's zoom back, see when that was. Yeah, last year's low. Yeah, so this one's garbage. It's even worse. Bad shape. Goff, Romeo, November Hotel. New low for the year. Bad. Goff, Romeo, Whiskey. Goff. Just shy of new low for the year. Bad shape. Goff, Tango, Bravo, India, Foxtrot. Again, Foxtrot. Look at that huge trading range for the week. Above average. Maybe I'll label the midpoint. Coming to earnings soon. And that high was retested here. And it failed to close above it. That's not good. The buyers tested it, but there wasn't new buyers coming in to keep the momentum going, and it started sold off. Bad. Not good. You know what? Let's label this one because it's above average weekly. There we go. That's a Fibonacci tool I just used. I'm labeling 50%, which is midpoint of the candle body, not the whole trading range, not the wicks, just the body. Again, this is a weekly candle, so I want to identify it with a note, say this is the weekly. This is part of my process I apply when I'm doing charting. And a set alert. Probably going to leave it at 11:32. No, we'll go down a penny, right there at the penny. When it hits this price, or if it goes lower, I'll get an alert, push notification as an email and a text on my phone, and also on my computer screen. Just in case I'm away from the computer, I have access to it on my phone. Plus, if the internet or power goes out from my computer, I'll still get that notification on my phone or email them out. There we go. Good enough for me to know, for me to understand. That's for me to understand. You write them how you want them. Let's see what happens. Next one. Oh, another name, forgot to call it. Yeah, hemp. That's another name you call it. Shame on that. Cannabis, marijuana, pot. Yep. Hotel Echo, Mike Papa. Just shy of new low for the year. Garbage. Okay, let's go to the last few. Hotel Echo Oscar. Sorry, Hotel Echo X-Ray Oscar. Look at that garbage. India November Charlie Yankee. Well, there's a low for the year. Still garbage down here. Mike Juliet. Ooh, just shy of the low of the year. Bad shape. Juliet Uniform Sierra Hotel Foxtrot. Same thing. Prior week low of the year. And then C trading rain this week. Wow. Yeah, one hit wonder. Okay. Terrible. Again, couldn't even close above the swing high there. Terrible. Mike Goff Whiskey Foxtrot. Huge sell-off. Mike Oscar. Yep. Struggling down there near the low of the year. Oscar Goff India. Just shy of the low of the year. Papa Mike. Look at that. Huge sell-off prior week and inside candle. Again, Philip Morris, huge tobacco company. Cancer-causing products, poison, bad for the environment, bad for humans. Papa Oscar Tango November. Yeah, bad shape. Bad shape. We're almost done. Just a few more. My watch list. Sierra Mike Goff, new low for the year. Yep. Sierra November Delta Lima, just shy of new low for the year. Sierra Tango Zulu, there's a low for the year, but this still sold off heavy. Took out that swing low and closed below it, extremely bearish. Sierra Whiskey November, bad shape. Tango Lima Romeo Yankee, just shy of new low for the year. Tango Papa Bravo. Oh, yeah, another pump and dump. Uniform, November Romeo Victor, just shy of low, bad shape. Uniform Victor, yeah, new low for the year. Look at that, took out the low from last year also, bad shape. Victor Foxtrot, bad shape. And the last one, the last group in my watch list, right there, number 5. See, it says 5 up there, so I got 5 watch lists. Victor Goff Romeo, bad shape. X-Ray Lima Yankee, yep, took out last week's low and closed below it, bad shape. X-Ray India, bad shape. Wow, garbage. Zulu Yankee November Echo, new low for the year, another penny stock. Mike Sierra, Oscar Sierra. So again, same thing with that pump and dump. Wow, shameful. Bravo, Charlie, Alpha, November, new low for the year. Okay, many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.